Hey folks, so the wife and I have just purchased the new Ninja Crispi. Really excited to try this out and put it through its paces, but for today we're just going for a quick unboxing. Now the idea here is that this is a more portable sized air fryer, starting with some documentation. Next up we have the crisper plates, or actually one of the crisper plates, I'm assuming that's the smaller one, along with a lid. Okay, so each of the containers comes with their own lid so that you can store whatever it is you've cooked safely, and these are dishwasher safe too. There we go, the second lid, the larger of the two, and the second crisper plate, also the larger of the two. Some more packaging. We get to the main top part of the unit itself. So this will be able to connect directly onto the larger of the two containers. If you want to use it with the smaller container, then you are going to need to use the included adapter. Yeah, and it looks like the adapter's already connected here. So that's the adapter. Again, this is just going to be used when using the larger container. And here we have what Ninja are calling the Crispi Power Pod. Okay, so next up we have our two containers. And these are made of glass, which is obviously one of the main things about this, is you're going to be able to see exactly the cooking that's taking place here. So the smaller of the two containers is 1.4 litres in size, and then the larger one, which I'm just trying to get out of the packaging here, is 3.8 litres in size. So yeah, it's more than double the size of the smaller. You can actually get quite a bit, you know, into this. It's a good size. And it looks like that's everything in the box itself. So folks, there we have it. That is the full unboxing of the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. As I say, you know, I am really excited to put this through its paces and just see what sort of meals we're going to be able to cook with it. Really looking forward to getting this thing tried out. So I will be making more video content on it. But thank you so much for stopping by, checking out this unboxing. That's everything included. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.